This is an instructional video showing you how to deactivate your Kidde smoke alarm model i9010 because I couldn't find anything on the internet. When you flip it over to the back, because you can't take the batteries out of this guy, there is a sticker here. This whole back is a sticker, and the sticker says slide or something to deactivate. It's not right there. It's actually over here a little bit because the instructions say break out the cross-hatched area. Okay, it's actually over here. Find the spot with the 3 holes. Poke around with your scissors, rip that part of the sticker out, and underneath these 3 holes you're going to see a little guy that looks like this. Okay? Break that guy completely off. Take your scissors or your sharp object and poke, 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 poke till the whole thing breaks and rattles around inside the smoke alarm. Inside of it, you're going to see a little black sliding button. Let me slide it and then I'll show you. That will be all the way over in the right position from the middle hole. Okay, just take your sharp object and slide it as far as you can to the right. And once you do that, it will be deactivated and you will be happy.